Now in this chapter, let's look at some key benefits of moving to the cloud. So the most important benefit, as you've seen working with the Elastic Compute Cloud service, is the pay-as-you-go model. So in this model, it's an effective model for infrastructure hosting. So you as an investor, as a company shareholder, you don't need to invest or buy expensive hardware as a capital investment. So if you are looking at creating your own data center, remember that you have to have a capital investment, investing in hardware such as your servers, networking, etc. But when you move to the AWS cloud, all of this investment is not required because all of the underlying hardware and physical infrastructure is maintained by AWS themselves. And this also helps you alleviate the overhead of having to buy hardware and not using it. So sometimes companies might buy the hardware but not even use them. Maybe an application was supposed to be deployed, but in the end, the rollout got cancelled. So in such a case, the hardware was purchased but never used. So all these burdens can be, alleviated by using what is available in the AWS cloud. So with the EC2 service you have seen, you could create an instance whenever you wanted. You could shut down the instance to save on costs. You could even terminate the instance when it's not required. So everything on demand. So all of this can help you control your costs. And then in the end, this helps a business focus on its business objectives. So instead of the business having to worry about infrastructure needs or costs, in the end, they could just purely focus on what's important to them, their customers and their objectives. And one important thing to remember is that as more and more customers start to use AWS, the costs will just get lower and lower. Now, when it comes to cloud services, AWS keeps on rolling out new services on their cloud platform. And they also continuously roll out new features for existing services. And they keep on taking feedback from customers. AWS keeps on ensuring that they are always in line with the newest technology and introducing new services and features on the AWS cloud platform. Right, so this marks the end of this chapter in which we have seen the benefits of moving to the AWS cloud.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.